The seventh problem is Sergei is trained to be a weightlifter. Each day he trains at the local gym by lifting a metal bar that has heavy weights attached. He carries out successive lifts. After each lift, the same amount of weight is added to the bar to increase the weight to be lifted. This line is very important. After each lift, the same amount of weight is added to the bar to increase the weight to be lifted. The weights of each lift is forming one arithmetic sequence. So obviously from this particular note you can understand that each lift weight that is added is basically the common difference of the AP. So we know that now. Now his friend records the weight of each lift. Unfortunately, last Monday he misplaced all but two of the recordings of the lift is there. So third lift, for the third lift the weight was 21 kg and for the eighth lift the weight was 46 kg. Now we can form here the third lift L3 was 21 kg and the eighth lift L8 was 46 kg. So these two data we have. And one more thing, all these data are in arithmetic progression or arithmetic series, arithmetic sequence. So now formula here, see the formula for nth term in AP. So the formula is Ln is equals to L1 plus n minus 1 into d. Here d is the common difference. So from here let us assume the first weight is L1. So from here we can write L3 is equals to L1 plus 3 minus 1 into d. So from here we can write 21 is equals to L1 plus 2d. This equation we have, this is the first equation. Now second equation we can form from here. L8 is equals to 46. So again we can write L8 equals to L1 plus 8 minus 1 into d. So from here we can write this is L8 to be 46. So L1, it is L1 plus 7d. So this is the equation number 2. So first equation and second equation we have formed. Now for the first question we need to find how much weight was added after each lift. And here as you can see in this note, each lift the weight that we add is basically the common difference. So here we need to find out the value of d. So from here if we take common the L1, so L1 is equals to 21 minus 2d, and from here we can find L1 is equals to 46 minus 7d. So if you compare these two, you will get 21 minus 2d is equals to 46 minus 7d. So from here we are getting 5d is equals to 25. So we are getting d is equals to 5. So the common difference is equals to 5. So we can write how much weight was added after each lift. 5 kg weight was added after each lift. So the answer will be 5 kg weight was added after each lift. So this problem is done. Now we will move towards the next problem. Here the next problem is on that day he lifted 21 kg on the third lift and 46 kg on the 8th lift that we have already discussed. Find the weight of his first lift. So the third equation L3 was this equation was L1 plus, we assume that L1 is the first lift or the weight of the first lift. So L1 plus 3 minus 1 into d. Now in the previous slide we have found out d is to be 5. The common difference or the common weight that is added is 5. So from here we can write L3, value of L3 is 21. So 21 is equals to, so here we can get all the values from this details. So 21 plus 2 into 5. So already we have found out the value of d here. So it is 21 is equals to L1 plus 10. So L1 is coming out to be 11. So the first weight is, the first lift was for 11 kg. So this is the answer of this question. Okay, now the third question we will move towards. Find the total combined weight of these lifts. So he just lifted 12 times. So we need to find out L1, lift 1 plus lift 2 weight plus lift 3 weight plus dot 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 plus lift 4 weight. So now formula for this. So we will use the formula here. So Sn, sum of the total number of terms, Sn is equals to, we will find out the formula n by 2 into 2u1 plus n minus 1 into d. Here u1 is equals to the first term and n equals to the number of terms. And also you know that d is equals to the common difference. Now we will use all this here. So the modified formula is Ln is equals to here n by 2 and 2L1 plus n minus 1 into d. Now put all the values here. So Ln basically it is so sum of n. So just let me give you Sn because it will help you a lot. So S of 12 is equals to n. Here n is 12. N is equals to 12 for our example because the number of lifts are 12. So 12 by 2 divided by 2 into L1. The value of L1 was 11. You can see that in the previous slide. So 2 into 11 plus n minus 1, that is 12 minus 1. So 12 minus 1 into the value of d is 5. You can see this also in the previous slides. So from here we can get 6 into 22 plus here it is 55. So we are getting 6 into 77. So S12. So after you calculate all these things, you will get the answer to be 462. So the total combined weight is 462 kg. So the answer will be 462 kg. Don't forget to give the unit here because it is one arithmetic type of problem. So you need to give the unit every time.